Hi, I'm Milton Rendell and welcome to Real News Friday. I'm glad to be back. I've been away for a couple of weeks over in Vietnam. Wonderful place to go. Recommend it to anybody. The basics are the market is slowly keep creeping up with stock, as I said it would. Up to 5,733 listings now. That's up a whopping 40.8% compared to 12 months ago, up 19.2% compared to a month ago. So it is interesting that it is on this climb. Average property's taking, now they say it's 14 days. I'd say it's probably taking longer than that now because that's sort of an average. You get properties that sell off market and those sort of buggers the figures up a little bit. So I would suggest that we're probably looking more like a three-week scenario, and I reckon we'll eventually get out to a month. Rentals available at the moment, 2,331. That's down about just under 4%. Obviously the rental market's still going along. People are asking where are rents going. It seems to be flattening. You are starting to see tenants move around a bit, but the actual amount of properties is still very low compared to what had been previously in the past. So you've still got to shop around a little bit, but basics are, at the end of the day, it's still a fairly tight market. But I think we may have seen some ceilings in terms of what rents will be. Now, my prediction is we'll probably look at, I reckon we'll be up around that probably 7,500 mark by September in terms of properties on the market. It's not a bad thing. People go, oh my goodness, that's a lot of properties on the market. It still isn't, and compared to other markets, which I've certainly seen over my near 40 years of experience in real estate. I think probably around the 7.5 to 10 will open up another market for us. I think it'll be like a second wave. It won't make prices fly, but there's been a lot of people sitting on their hands in the last probably 2-3 years where they wanted to sell their house to buy something else but couldn't find something to buy. So we may see this sort of transition more, what they call subject to sales, people having to sell a house to buy a house. To be honest, that's actually probably a better market to be in at times. It takes a lot of the pressure off people and it takes pressure off the buyers. Will we see a flattening of prices? In certain areas, you certainly will, because there'll be more stock available. Supply demand changes everything. So we'll see some softening, but we certainly won't see it stop. Anyway, all the best, and I'll catch up with you next week.